Hey everybody, it's Brian with ADVYON, and today I wanted to share with you that this week, the beginning of this week, ADVYON is in its Hurricane Disaster Preparedness Week. So this is our annual hurricane drill where we make sure that all of our clients across our entire client base are prepared for a disaster like a hurricane. And for the next 2 days, we're going to be checking all of our backups across our entire fleet and making sure that all of the data is not only backed up, but also recoverable. So we're going to be doing test recoveries of the backups that we actually monitor daily to make sure that they work correctly. That takes a little time for us, and it's going to take the first day or so to make sure that those are all able to be recovered and your data is completely safe. It's a great practice for us that we do this periodically to make sure that in the event of a disaster, not only do we know that the backups are backing up, but we know we can recover it. Now, also on the second or third day, we are going to have your project engineers call you directly, and we're going to talk about your disaster continuity plan and your disaster recovery plan. And the disaster continuity plan is, let's say a hurricane happens, what are you going to do to continue to work as that happens? So if we have to evacuate, what systems are we going to have available? Are you going to be able to access your files? Are you going to be able to access your email? How are we going to continue to work? And then if the worst happens and this place gets washed away from waves or whatever, what are we going to do in case of a disaster like that? That's the first part of our data stuff, but we're going to make sure that we have a plan for you and your company, and you'll be hearing from our project engineers about that. So the reason why we do this every year, June is National Hurricane Awareness Month, and that's when when NOAA and all the weather guys come out with their hurricane prediction plan or prediction model. So NOAA says this year is going to be above normal. I've never seen a year where they said it was going to be below normal, but this is something that is great for us to prepare for sure. And if you look at their plan here, they have 13 named storms, and just for fun, if you want to see some of the names that are coming, Humberto is probably going to be coming this year for us in some way. So when our project engineers give you a call, they're going to share with you our hurricane checklist. And you could go to our website as well right here, and you can also Google ADVYON 2025 Hurricane Season Checklist, and you should be able to see this. And this has all the information on how to prepare your company for a hurricane. So we've got a lot more information here, and you could download that checklist. And they're going to go over this checklist for you, and it's got some great information. It's got good information about what to do before the evacuation day. And it's got some great information on right before you leave, what are we going to do? We're going to do stuff like turn off battery backup, so on and so forth. And then when we return, how do we resume those operations? And of course, we want to see your plans for, if you're going to stay or if you're going to go. And I know the answer for some of you guys. Some of you guys are staying no matter what. And some of you guys are definitely evacuating. So we want to be prepared in that case to make sure that we know what your plan is. So thanks so much for being patient with us for the next couple of days. We're going to be a little bit slower than normal on getting to tickets. Regular tickets will definitely work with your emergencies as quickly as possible. But this is our hurricane drill week, and I'm looking forward to talking with many of you. And I know that your project managers and project engineers are looking forward to saying hey as well. So again, thank you for being patient with us. Look forward to talking with you, and have a great day.